Hey guys, have you ever had these grab handles break or twist or strip, whatever? Well, ours did, and so I am going to replace this bad boy on our Micro Mini, Winnebago Micro Mini 2108DS. We ordered this online through Amazon, so we're gonna put this thing together, just attaching this new grab handle. Alright, according to the instructions, it says we're just going to need a number 2 Phillip bit and silicone sealant. And since we already have these mountings on here, I'm going to take these off as well, so that we just do everything that they have, because I don't know which mechanism is stripped this part or the bottom part. So I'm just going to replace the whole thing. And so we'll put some sealant on it after that. And the first thing we gotta do is take these little covers off, and there's like a little compression thing here. You just kind of pop it off with a screwdriver on both ends, and let's do that. This thing's a little hard there. I had to break the first one to get it off. Alright, so once you got the covers off of there, I had to break that little knobby thing off just to kind of get that cover to come off of there. This right here is pretty hard, so I had to pretty much break that one, get it off of there. It's kind of just bad design anyway. The next we're just going to take this screw out here, just this one screw here, one screw there, so 3 screws there, and the same for the bottom as well. So this is going to take these 3 screws out. Alright, so that should just pretty much come off of there. Alright, I'll go ahead and clean that up and get one in there. Okay, now that I got it nice and cleaned up, we're going to go ahead and put this other out back on. That one's in there. Just using the same holes here that they have. Just lined up there, it should be just fine. Okay. I got that screw in there, that screw in there. Got the secondary screws in there, it should be good to go. And since this only came with 2 screws, but I had 3 holes, I just use 2 screws for each mount. I went ahead and just used one of the old screws, just to put it in there, just to kind of tighten up that other hole. Plus, it just gives a little bit extra more sturdiness. So now we got this thing working good again. All right, now it's just time to put the caps on, which cap